Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time no see, but we are back and we're ready to go. We're nice and recharged. We had that little break that was well needed. But yeah, this is the look we'll be recreating in today's video. So if you want to see how we got here, definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so today you're a lot closer than usual. My face is very red. I just got out the shower, so don't mind that. Today we will be using the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette, and this is what this bad boy looks like. My favorite row is really this one and this one. I just love those plum colors. Oh, got some glitter on my hand. So today I will be showing you how I do my cut creases. I will only be doing the eyes on camera with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and I will be right back. The only thing I'm gonna use to prime my eyelids is gonna be concealer. So the concealer I will be using is the Born This Way Too Faced concealer in the shade Vanilla. I don't know if it focused, but yes, I will be filling in my eyebrows with the Benefit Brow Powder in the shade number 3. And it's just like a little compact with 2 shades in it. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. So now what we're gonna do, all I did earlier was set my eyes with a little bit of setting powder, and now what we're gonna do is take a transition shade from this palette right here, and of course I'm gonna go in with this one, which is Soothe in the matte formula. And I'm just gonna take a light fluffy clean brush and put that in my crease. I'm gonna take my Jaclyn Hill JH32 brush, which is just a light fluffy long bristled crease brush, and I'm going to take that Soothe shade and I'm just going to hold it at the very end, and I'm going to start putting it in my crease lightly, swirly motions all the way in the inner corner close to the brow bone. And you can be messy with this shade because we're going to go in and clean the eyelid up with concealer anyways. So that's with a little bit of a transition shade in our crease. I'm going to go ahead and build that shade up. I'm going to hold my brush a little closer, grab a little bit more product and concentrate it on the outer corner, going in on the crease, swirly motions, and then go into that crease. And that's just going to concentrate that shade so it can be a little bit darker in concentrated areas. So with the other one I went all over and gave it a little bit of a light wash. With this one I'm going in and I'm adding more definition to the eyelid, but it's the same shade. So applying a little bit more pressure is gonna add more dimension to the eye. How is everyone doing? It's been a minute. I didn't mean to not film for 2 weeks straight. It just ended up happening. Life got a little bit crazy and I remained away from the camera, but now I'm back. I'm feeling a little bit better. So we're here. We're gonna film a little bit, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video because currently I'm definitely enjoying it. Doing my makeup is like some type of therapy for me. I love doing my makeup. It makes my mood just change. I love doing my makeup. Like, if you know me, you know I love makeup. So whenever I do my makeup, I entirely enjoy it and it makes me feel better. I know I might have just said that in like 3 different ways, but yes, I love makeup. I'm going to take Ritual, which is this dark brown, in the matte shade with a more precise brush like this. And I'm going to take that color and I'm going to concentrate it in the crease. And at first it's going to look extremely scary, but remember we're going to go in and we're going to cut that crease regardless. So yes, it's going to look scary in the beginning, but just know that with a little bit of blending, patience, and cutting the crease, it's going to come together. And then you want to take that first fluffy brush and just blend the edges. You see what I mean? You want to concentrate most of that color on the outer edge but definitely don't be afraid to bring it all the way in. Also, don't forget to be gentle, because sometimes when you're a little rough, it makes the eyeshadows patchy, which really sucks. Okay, with that same brush, I'm going to take Poet, which is this purple right here, and I'm going to take that and put that in the same area as the brown. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I'm going to go back in with Ritual, the deep brown, and I'm going to concentrate that on the outer edge of the eye, which is right here, and then bring it in a little bit. Let me know, you guys, do you guys like colorful looks more than you do like the neutral looks? This look, I wouldn't consider it to be more of a neutral look because it does have that plum in there, but you know, since it does have the browns in there, I'm pretty sure people are gonna say it's a little bit neutral. But I like the little like subtle pop of purple in there. So I'm gonna take the Born This Way concealer and a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna cut that crease. So you can take a brush like this, or you can take a brush like this, which is like flat but rounded. This one's flat but square. So it's really up to you what you do. I'm actually gonna take this one right here and use that. And you see where it touched my eyelid right here on the very top? That's where I'm gonna follow the line. And I like to bring it and connect it like with my nose area. And I'm not gonna do a full cut crease, I'm just gonna like bring it halfway. And then just fill in the gap. This part right here, you can blend it out with your fingers. That'll just make the blend a little bit more seamless. And right here, just continue to blend it until it's all blended through. At first it may look like, whoa, like what are you doing? But once everything is blended out and you know you have your lashes and all that, it's all gonna look like, oh, okay, I get it. This is what she was trying to do, you know? So I'm gonna take that Ritual, which is that deep brown right there, and I'm gonna focus it on the outer edge once again. And I'm just gonna blend it into the concealer. So now it's really up to you what you do next. This color right here is really calling my name. I kind of want to like pack it on the outer edge on top of that brown and then go in with Aura, which is like a light cream shade. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it with my hand, my finger, and I just look how stunning that color is. So I'm going to put that on the outer edge, and I'm going to do it with my fingers. Right? So that's what that looks like. Then I'm going to take the other shade. I'm just going to tap in the middle and then it'll seamlessly blend. But this is what it looks like so far. And I really like the way that came out. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye real quick. And I'll come back to show you what I'm going to do next. I think we're going to go in with a liner moment with that plum shade again, but the deepest shade. So I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Hold on. So this is what we're looking like. I love the way it's looking so far. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this black right here. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to take that black and pray, because black is very scary to work with, but I'm going to attempt this. So I'm going to take the black and I'm going to use a flat shader brush like this, right? And I'm going to just line my lash line with it. And I'm only going to go halfway. So you see right there, I'm going to stop right there. So this is what we're looking like. That just added a little bit of an oomph to the look. What we're looking like so far. Once you do your concealer and all that, you will clean up the outer edges regardless. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some lashes. Go ahead and apply the Love the Max Out lashes from Kiss. Alright guys, so I did most of my makeup off camera. The only thing that we've done together is the upper eyelid and, you know, some lashes. I did my lashes off camera. But now it is time to do the lower lash. So that's what we're gonna do next. I'm gonna take the same palette. The only thing I'm gonna do is take, what shade is this? I'm gonna take Poet, which is that cranberry shade, and I'm gonna use the Precise blending brush, and I'm just gonna put that on that lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the big fluffy brush, take Soothe, and blend that out so that there's no harsh edges. Same thing with the other eye. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. Alright, so that's what we've got going on so far. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take Aura, this shade right here, and I'm going to take that with my pinky and just put that on like the inner corner. And that'll just like make our eyes pop a little bit. And you want to blend that in seamlessly to like the other shadows. Just going to take an eyeliner. Alright, so this is the finished look. This, you guys, is my little cut crease. I went a little bit crazy and I used dark shades, but I love the way this came out. I love the cranberry with the like shimmer in it. I feel like it's sultry and sexy and just, it gives you that little oof that you need. I feel like this is the perfect date night look. It looks really good. I love it. It came out really good. Come on now. Tell me this doesn't look snatched. Whenever you're looking for something that I did not mention in the video, definitely check down below. It will always be listed for you guys, as well as my social media. So if you want to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, I'm normally active on Instagram daily, and I'm often active on TikTok as well. So if you missed me on here, I'm definitely on there. Even if I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm always posting on one of those two social medias. So definitely check those out. Don't forget to follow me. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, definitely do. It's free and you get to join my cute little family here on YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun filming it for you guys. But nonetheless, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.